tingnan natin kung meron. Oh. Yeah. Han, look.
Good morning, Philippines!
Okay guys, let's go sa likuran ng bahay natin. Tignan natin doon, mamitas tayo ng apple. Let's see kung marami bang apple doon ngayon. Let's see. Sama natin si Mr. Baka may coyote doon. Then why is it like that?
One more won't get it.
Yeah, but the wind. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know. And this one natin. So guys, mag-ano tayo dito, magtingin-tingin sa what is that? Oh, it's really nothing. Oh, few of them on the top.
Yeah.
Meron sa
Bad
taas.
year for fruit.
Yeah. Oh, the deer would be happy if we have a lot though, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
These are like apples, but
yeah, let's go. Punta tayo dito guys sa ating pinaka. Hello, what's very clean over there? Why is it clean?
they're probably up there.
Yeah. Okay, tignan natin kung meron pa bang apple dito kasi yung ano dito guys, may yung likuran ng bahay namin. This is it right here, honey. So itong likuran kasi ng bahay namin, maraming mga prutas guys. So tingin natin dito kung meron ba talaga. Kasi galing ako dito few years ago. Meron ditong apple. Merong apple. Pero tingnan natin kung meron. Oh. There's no more apple, Han.
I don't see nothing back here.
Oh, they're right here. Dito yung apple, guys. But, why? Meron dito apple, guys. Look. This is where the deer is roaming, Han. Yay! Why the apple over here is not a lot compared to the other side? Magbantay tayo, baka may ticks ba? Look guys, oh apple, oh. Apple. Look. Let's see what kind of apple. If this is sira. Sira. Ang taas man guys, nasa taas yung bunga. Look, meron doon din, oh. Malayo na. Yeah. Even the pears, honey, right here natin.
What?
The pears. Where our thing? That, you know, the one that close to the ending of our land. I know, but the side there is like a pathway.
Yeah, the pathway is blocked. I only mowed so far because there's too much crap in there, rocks and crap.
Oh.
So I don't mow all the way in. I just ride a lawnmower. For what reason?
Hala, ticks. That was ticks. Hala, eh. Baka may ticks. Make sure you don't have ticks, ha?
Yeah, well,
Daming ticks dito, guys.
you
Kasi
don't see nothing.
no, look at that, oh. It's very dead. Walang mga bunga, guys, dahil patay. Patay yung bunga.
Have to wait. Maybe next month.
Next month. There's no more next month.
It's only August.
Ito ang property dito.
Only August.
Mga prutas dito, walang bunga dahil sa init, oh. Nakakatakot dito, guys, kasi may ticks ba? Yung mga ticks dito. Because the deer, then dito sila palagi. Ha? What happened? So where is the flag marker? You don't see? Okay guys, wala guys. The thing is up there, oh. Look, did you see the fruits? Look, a few of them.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Maybe a deer came and ate
Oh, it's
the
right here. Oh my God, right here. Look. Ay, prutas natin. Prutas dito, guys. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get that. Dito, tignan natin. Look, oh, prutas. Right. Dito pa isa. So I'm going to walk here. Let's see if there is some. Tignan natin dito. Oh, it's right here. Can you take it? It's right here. Oh, nakapo na right there. Oh, nakaano tayo ng prutas, guys. Hold that. Let's see more. Kasi, oh, meron tayong na-harvest. So, this is crazy because last year's a lot. It's a lot.
Usually there's thousands of fruit.
Thousand, yeah. Look, it's on the top, hon. You cannot see it. Look. Can you reach it? Right here?
Right where?
Seriously, right there? Han! Han, look! It's even over here you can see. Can you reach that?
No.
No, you can't. No, you can't. You can't. No, no, no. You might break. Who you break it? Allah, no. I guess I have to jump. Oh. Oh. You stay there. I'll go walk. Tignan natin ito, guys, mga kung meron dito kasi you know, nakakatawa, guys, kasi nga few years ago, no, last year, and oh, it's right here too. Look, look, meron dito. Hihihihi. Oh my god, there is one big one here. Look, big one. Oh, oh guys, oh my god, there's few here. Oh my god, I'm gonna take it all. Okay guys, look. Okay, I'll put you guys here. And there's more here, guys, look. My god, this is weird because usually this one right here, look.
That's it.
That's it. Okay. Oh, there's one here. And another one here. Look at this, guys. Look. Woo. Look. Woo, 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 woo.
I think I'm gonna rot in the house.
Well, I will eat this. It's like guava. Okay, can you film me? Like that. Okay. Okay guys, let's go inside. Come on, let's go. So yun guys, last year like a ton of pears. Now it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, maybe 20 fruits. Plus the one that yung hindi namin kinuha. So yun siya, matamis ito, panitan natin at kainin. So kainin natin itong pears natin. O diba, masarap ito guys kasi guys, grabe. As in, hold on, kuha lang ako ng tataran talaga. Tataran, rantatad. Oh my goodness. Nakakaano ba? Kasi nga, last year talaga, every year, usually every year. Only this year, right, Han?
Yeah.
Only this year that walang bunga masyado, wala. Usually, yung lahat ng prutas namin dito is like puno ng bunga. So, ngayon, ang sarap kasi nito, alam nyo bakit? Para ito mayabas. Tamis. Masarap talaga to. Hinugasan ko na. Kahit yung apple ng helikor namin, walang bunga. Konti lang. Hindi katulad yung dito sa gilid namin. Bakit maasim? Matamis kanina. Ngayon naging maasim. Ano to, mangga? I think it's lack of water, that's why it's kind of sour. Kasi wala talagang ulan. Matamis yung dito una part. Pagdating mo dito, sour. Sin is life. I know mahal ito sa Pilipinas. You know this is expensive in the Philippines, Han? Huh?
I guess they don't grow in the Philippines.
I think so not. I think it's exported from other country. I don't know, meron ba ito sa Pilipinas? I'm sure meron ito eh. Sa mga maginaw-ginaw na ano. I think meron ito sa Pilipinas. I don't know. Tumutubo ba ito sa Pinas, guys? That's it, guys. Yeah.